Hey YouTubies, how's it going?
Oh, YouTube.
Tonight we are having Olive Garden takeout. We're having lasagna classico. He's got that. Fettuccine Alfredo. That's what I've got. Garden salads. Tiramisu and breadsticks. So, hopefully this is good. It has been years and years since we've had Olive Garden. My parents, one of these?
No, I'm good.
My parents had won a Olive Garden gift certificate at a church event, you know, one of those white elephant gift things, or what you call it, Secret Santa or whatever. So, since we didn't have a Olive Garden anywhere near here, since we went to Columbia yesterday for our Chinese dinner. Oh, happy Vlogmas Day 15, by the way. Since we went to Columbia, Missouri yesterday to go to our Chinese dinner that him and I have been wanting to go to for quite a while, we decided to pick up Olive Garden on the way home. So we have it tonight. How y'all doing? I am tired today. The trip, I don't know about him, but the trip wore me out. We're not the healthiest, so it's very, very draining for us. Almost a 2 hour trip there and 2 hour trip back. Not quite 2 hours, but pretty close. Most people it'd be no big deal. Not for us.
Which part was after the trip there and back? Passed out all night and almost completely all day.
I did pass out all night and all day. Like, literally, I slept at least a good 18 or 20 hours is how much it drained me. I think I only got up for just a little while, maybe an hour or two, to have dinner with my parents and visit with them a little bit, and of course put the chickens to bed and let them out this morning too. That's all I've been up, other than, you know, Mother Nature. That's the reason we don't go to Columbia very often. We usually go to Sedalia, but even that's draining for us. But Columbia being a lot further away, a lot more draining.
Yeah, Columbia's a major.
Sedalia, Missouri is only like a 45-minute drive from home. Whereas Columbia, almost 2 hours. It's probably like, I think it was like an hour and 45 minutes from what the GPS said. Yeah, we got to drink a lot of soda pop tonight. Roberto has challenged us to a burping challenge. He will have no problem with it.
What? I never burp.
So we're going to try. I won't guarantee, but we're going to try. This is the last of our Pepsi, so I don't know if I can burp without Pepsi. Well, not as well. I can, but... Ooh. Roberto? I was hoping they'd have a little stuff on them, but still. should tackle my salad yet or not. No way I'm gonna get through all this. Actually, yeah, I think I'll just eat my pasta for now. I'll eat my salad later. C Squad has, I haven't got a chance to watch the video yet, but I remember they had tagged us in the Healthy Meal Challenge, I think it was. Sorry, C Squad, I don't remember for sure. But we've been trying to do it. Just every time we go into Walmart, they have no lettuce. The last time we went, they had the romaine lettuce. We got that. But if you're up for it, we'll save the salad for the next meal and then do the Healthy Meal Challenge. You sound so enthused. Yeah, it looks like a good salad at least.
I'm just tired.
Yeah, that is true. There's a lot more draining than I was expecting it to be. I gotta snag a little of your lasagna before you get completely done, though.
I have only had 2 bites. What are you talking about?
What? He who loves lasagna?
Right, you just...
Mm. Granted, this pie would have tasted a lot better yesterday if we ate it when it's fresh, but we just had Chinese. I don't have a hollow leg like some people. I don't even have a whole toe.
Just a hollow head?
Mm-mm. Behave. That strand of hair is bugging me. One little strand. How about you guys? What is your favorite thing from Olive Garden? I tried to buy his lasagna a while ago. That was good. These were good. They actually got a little hint of garlic powder or something. More flavor than I thought there was going to be when I first bit into it. My noodles, I think, could have got a little warmer. They were warm, but it looked like they were starting to dry out. And I put butter on them. Cheese and everything. Put butter on your stuff, too. I put a little extra mozzarella cheese on stuff, too. Kind of try to soften things up a bit. Felt like a little bird right there. Trying to eat a worm.
It wasn't in tequila.
Our total on all this, lasagna classico, the fettuccine alfredo, 2 salads, the breadsticks, the tiramisu, that was it, came to $36.47. Had a $30 gift card, so we just paid the remaining difference. So that wasn't too bad. We have no, I just say high-end, nice restaurants like Olive Garden and Sedalia. I don't think. I've looked. I GPS'd and see if we can find anything, Olive Garden and Sedalia. But no. Excuse me. Oh, there's one. Ah, I'm ahead.
Didn't even hear Burp.
It was a itty bitty.
Baby Burp.
That's what you were gonna say. It was a baby burp. I've cooked it. Well, I heated it. I get to snag. Yours got a lot more flavor than mine. A lot more tomatoey. Well, of course tomatoey, but I mean zestier. Our Chinese dinner, that was really good. Just the drive was so long. I was kind of disappointed on the crab legs though, the amount of meat that was in them. But I think that's par for the course for snow crab, I guess. I don't know. I definitely after king crab, I am totally pampered to king crab. I've got to get some of that again here soon. There's just so much more meat in the king crab. There's no way I'm going to be able to finish all this.
And she's stealing some of mine.
A bite.
That's the second bite. Count to 2.
I played the 5th.
No, wait, count to 5. You can't count to 2.
Maybe, hey, I'll snag another bite.
Sure, I'll just snag your Pepsi. It's on my computer. Must be mine.
I gotta have it to activate those burps.
Wow, you were farting pretty good earlier.
That's you. Hopefully I don't spill this.
What? You can leave it with here. I'll drink it.
I think I'm gonna finish up there. Get the tiramisu out. We can take a couple bites. I have never had tiramisu. I've always heard it's supposed to be good. I was hoping for more portions, but then again, we're not getting ready for
No, I
it.
got first bite.
We'll take it. We'll get a bite together.
Yeah, first bite of the lasagna, the first bite of that.
Yeah, because I was heating it. Mmm. That's good. Get more? Yeah, I mean,
You can finish.
you don't like it?
I don't think lasagna better.
Okay. Mmm. Up close. Good. I don't know what it's got in it though. I know it's got cream cheese and it's look like chocolate. I don't know what the bottom is. Look that up after a while. It's really good. Eating all this Italian food, I'm thinking of Italian Mukbang Nana. Go check out her channel, by the way. Italian Mukbang Nana. Go check her out. Show her some love. Also show Melissa's Mukbang and more. Y'all's, some of you have it as live, some of you have it as more.
Well, you changed yours.
Yeah, I know.
Changed me.
It's been a while though. But anyway, go check out Melissa's Mukbang and more.
And say hi to Oshi.
Say hi to her. Yes, Oshi. So, Hi, Oshi.
Oh, she'll
Hey,
show
Melissa.
chickens later.
Yeah. And go check out Tyler Ramey, Triple G's, Chickens by the Lake. Bye. Anna Marie Mukbangs. Wait, no. Anna Marie Eats. She tasted hers recently, too. What's this there? I'm brain farting, y'all. Hush you.
She does it a lot.
Yes, I do, actually. What else? Oh, I guess that's it for now. Canadian Mukbang. Oh, C Squad. And the Ralphies. There's more, but I can't think of anybody else at the moment. That's just the ones off the top of my head. Excuse me.
That was a good one.
I'm ahead. 2-0. Hey.
Never said I was trying.
You don't have to try. You just explode. And I'm sitting over here rolling my eyes. Wanting to put it up at the same time. It's like, oh, another bite, another bite. Almost tastes like a little bit of a coffee flavor, like a mocha. Speaking of mocha, it was so cute tonight when I put my chickens to bed. I picked up Jelly Bean and gave her some of them. She's one of my little brown leghorn chickens. Her and Mocha Chocolate are always very, very skittish. It's, I guess, they've always been that ever since they were little. I don't know. Even though I give love to them all the time, they're always skittish. But Jelly Bean has gotten where she'll settle down. I can pick them up if they're in the chicken coop. It's that little tiny chicken coop. But I pick her up, and she's gotten where she'll calm down once I pick her up and start actually nuzzling into me a little bit. Like, oh, as I'm standing there patting her and everything. Pick up Mocha Chocolate, and she's so scared. She's wanting down. You can tell she's just like itching, get away. Like, let me down, let me down. But hold her close, and she's so scared that she thinks she's got to hide her head and hide her face into my hair. Like, oh, adorable. Like, I'm not going to hurt you, baby. They think I'm going to hurt them. Peaches, on the other hand, my little Buff Orpington, she has absolutely no problem with me picking her up. She loves it. So, more Pepsi if you want, since I am ahead of you.
Don't get a big head.
Huh?
Don't get a big head.
Hey, it's the one time I'm actually beating you for a change. Anytime we play any games or anything like that, he always beats me on everything.
If I make a bet, I win.
What was that? It's like a monster. Let's say something else. I forgot what I was going to say. I don't remember. Got one breadstick left. You want it?
You have it.
I'm full.
Oh, the only reason she offered to me is because she was full.
Yeah. That way it doesn't go to waste. You want my noodles?
Some of them.
Okay. Otherwise, I can't eat it, and I don't know if you'll eat it later or not, and if not, it's going to go to the chickens. I'd rather us eat it. Maybe they get a little bit, but I'm okay with sharing a little. That much. So anywho, shout out to Roberto also. So, trying to do this burp challenge. Usually he's burping by now.
Too tired.
Well, if we don't get it this time, then we'll try it again next time, I guess. Yeah, we are really, really tired. We was both sleeping really good when my dad knocked on the door and told us it was dinner time. We had crappie fish for dinner. That was actually pretty good, I thought, compared to normal. My mom used a different breading on the chicken, or the fish this time than normal. Usually she uses a breading. I don't know what she does to it, but it's like got hot spices in it.
Yeah, I don't know why she got to put hot spice in it all the time.
In everything. Everything she cooks, she thinks she's got to put powdered.
Better than most old people where stuff has no spice.
That is true.
Spice, no flavor, no.
Oh, she has an interview, I think it's Wednesday, for her job. She quit her job at Casey's because the boss being a real bee. And well, she's worked at Casey's for 15 years as a pizza cook. And this new boss has really been a not nice person. Mom had enough of it and walked out one night. Well, the next day she went and put applications in for a new job. 73 years old, and going out and putting applications in for a new job. Within the same week, like 2 days later after she quit, I think, 3 days at the most, she got a call back. And then because of that call back, this next Wednesday she's got an interview. So I was like, wow. When I was still able to work, I put applications in all kinds of places, well, several places. Excuse me. And I didn't get a call back. 3 ahead.
Hold my finger, I'll burp on you.
No. I love you, dear.
What the funny part is her dad used to fuss at her mom about, you need to quit, you need to quit, you need to quit.
Because he wanted her home because he's lonesome.
And then she quit. What'd you quit your job for? What'd you quit your job for?
Yeah. Which I think that's actually why she was always, well, partly she likes working anyway because to keep busy. But I think that's partly why she wanted to continue working and still wants to continue working because he gets on her nerves. He fusses a lot. So either way, I think it's pretty cool that she got a call back and potentially have a new job. She's trying to get the job at the Senior Citizen Center as a cook. So I think she'd be good at it. They have like 2 positions. One is a managerial position, like head of the kitchen, and she doesn't want that position. They offered it, but she doesn't want it because that would be like a lot of responsibility and bossing people around and everything, and she doesn't want that kind of position. But they have one that's a part-time position that she's going to try for. She's trying to get her ex-coworker that is an assistant manager at Casey's to see if she can get hired on as the managerial kitchen person. So that way we can still work together. That'd be pretty cool. Either way, I think it's pretty cool that she got a call back.
Mm-hmm.
I was like, go, Mom. So, anywho, I think we're done. So if you're new,
Almost done.
If you're new to our channel, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, and hit that notification bell. Check out the links down below. I am selling unique makeup products now. So check out the link down below on the top. I have a party going that would be good through December 21st. And of course, I'll have other parties going later on down the line in other videos. but that's one that will be open until then. So check that out if you're interested, or if you want to purchase anything, or if not, if you just want to look around. So, anywho, I'll catch you guys again later. And Roberto, I guess we'll have to have a redo on that burp challenge. So far, I won. So, you got anything you want to say?
No.
So, anywho, happy Vlogmas Day 15. Have a good one, guys. Bye-bye.